Today my objectives are that we have to achieve. Students will be able to count in sevens. Students will be able to count in eights. Students will be able to count in nines. Let's have a look on our previous work. In last week, we discussed about multiplication. Multiplication can be understood as repeated addition, or in other words, when we multiply two numbers, we add as many copies of one of them. For example, if we have 3 rows of 5 stars, then how we can count them? 3 5s are 15. Yes, our product is 15. I hope you have practiced your count in 6 also. Dear students, today our topic is count in sevens. Look at these scary pencil boxes. Each pencil box contains 7 squares. So, if we have one scary pencil box and this box contains 7 squares, we will say 7 ones are 7. If we have 2 boxes and each box contains 7 scary squares, then we will say 7 twos are 14. If we have 3 pencil boxes, 7 threes are 21. If we have 4 boxes, 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. If we have 7 scary pencil boxes, 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. And 7 tens are 70. Dear students, now read and learn table of 7 with me. Seven ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63 and 7 tens are 70. Very good. Dear students, now come on your textbook. With the help of table of 7, you can solve this page. If you have 9 groups and each group contains 7 cupcakes, then how you can count them? Yes, through multiplication. 7 nines are 63. If you have 10 groups and each group contains 7 cupcakes, then 7 tens are 70. If you have 7 groups and each group contains 7 balls, then 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 14. 7 fives are 35. Very good. Dear students, time to learn count in eights. Dear students, look at these octopuses. Each octopus contains 8 tentacles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we will say 8 ones are 8. If we have 2 octopuses, then both of these octopuses contains 16 tentacles. We will say 8 twos are 16. If we have 3 octopuses, 8 threes are 24. If we have 4 octopuses, 8 fours are 32. Dear students, if we have 5 octopuses, then 8 fives are 40. Very good. As it is, if we have 6 octopuses, then the total number of tentacles are 48. If we have 7 octopuses, then the number of tentacles are 56. If we have 8 octopuses, then number of tentacles are 64. And 9 octopuses contains 72 tentacles. And if we have octopuses, then their tentacles will be 80. Dear students, now read and learn table of 8 with me. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72 and 8 tens are 80. Very good. Dear students, come on your textbook. Dear students, with the help of table of 8, we can give the answer of these questions. If you have total 6 rows and each row contains 8 leaves, then 8 6 are 48. Very good. 8 6 are 48 and 8 fives are 40. Dear students, if you have 9 groups and each group contain 8 stars, then it means you have to find out total number of stars, and through multiplication we can quickly find out the product. 9 eights are 72. If we have 9 groups and each group contain 8 stars, then the number of stars are 72. Very good. If we have 10 groups and each group contain 8 stars, then 8 tens are 80. Very good. Dear students, let's move toward count in nines. Dear students, look at this frog. This frog contains 9 bottle covers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones are 9. If this frog contains 2 groups, then 9 twos are 18. If this frog contains 3 groups, then 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Dear students, read table of 9 with me again. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. Very good. Dear students, let's have a recap what we learned today. We learned table of 7, 8 and 9, and table of 6 you have learned in last week. Dear student, you have to revise these tables twice or thrice in a day. It's time to check Homework of week 6. Learn and write tables of 6, 7, 8 and 9. Textbook page 63, question 1 to 3. Workbook pages 42, question 2A to F, 44, question 4. Textbook page 67, question 1 to 3. Workbook pages 46, 47, question 2A to E part. Page 48, question 4. And do practice of number words from 150 to 199. You have to write number words. Write in words 150 to 199. Subtract 3 digits numbers without regrouping. All this work you have to complete on your loose sheets. Dear students, hopefully today my lecture was fruitful for you. Stay blessed. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.